Ingress. Ingress is a Kubernetes resource that provides HTTP and HTTPS routing to services within a cluster. Unlike service types like node port or load balancer, which expose services directly, Ingress allows for fine-grained control over external access, enabling routing rules, SSL termination, and host-based routing. Key features of Ingress. 1. Advanced traffic routing. Routes external traffic to services based on rules such as host names, paths, or both. Allows for multiple services to be exposed using a single IP address. 2. HTTP and HTTPS support. Handles HTTP/HTTPS traffic directly. Can terminate SSL TLS connections at the ingress level for secure communication. 3. Centralized access management. Acts as a single entry point for managing access to multiple services within a cluster. 4. Integration with ingress controllers. Works with ingress controllers like NGINX, Traefik, or cloud-native solutions provided by AWS or GCP. How Ingress works. 1. Ingress resource defines the rules for routing traffic to backend services. Example rules include mapping requests to specific paths, /app or host names, example.com, api.example.com. 2. Ingress controller, a component that implements the Ingress resource functionality, watches for Ingress resource changes, and configures the underlying proxy to match the desired routing rules. 3. Traffic flow. External clients send requests to the Ingress controller's public IP or DNS. The controller inspects the rules and forwards traffic to the appropriate services within the cluster. Common use cases. 1. Single point of access. Use a single IP address or domain to expose multiple services, reducing complexity. 2. Path-based routing. Route requests based on paths, e.g. /api to service A, /app to service B. 3. Host-based routing. Route requests based on host names, e.g. api.example.com to service A, app.example.com to service B. 4. TLS termination. Terminate SSL connections at the ingress, offloading the SSL processing from services. Benefits of Ingress. Cost efficiency. Reduces the need for multiple load balancers as Ingress can manage traffic for several services using a single IP. 2. Enhanced control. Provides granular traffic management, including URL path routing and SSL TLS configuration. 3. Scalability. Handles large-scale routing needs with ease. 4. Extensibility. Can integrate with custom rules and plugins for advanced traffic management. Limitations. 1. Dependency on ingress controller. Requires an ingress controller to function, which adds complexity in setup and maintenance. 2. Provider-specific features. Capabilities may vary depending on the chosen ingress controller, e.g. NGINX, Traefik, or cloud-specific options. 3. Advanced traffic management. For highly complex routing scenarios, additional tools like service meshes might be required. Summary. Ingress in Kubernetes is a powerful resource for managing HTTP/HTTPS traffic and routing it to the appropriate services within a cluster. By consolidating external access and offering advanced features, Ingress simplifies the management of public-facing applications while optimizing resource usage and ensuring scalability.